Okay, guys, here we go. We're looking at the 2 minute chart of Apple. Every candle here is 2 minutes of price action. This is our current candle, and it was a red candle, and it was all the way down here. And as you see, we just gapped down um, uh, under the 20. What we're looking for, bottom line, is uh, a move to the upside, up and over the 20, to take a bullish long position on Apple. But the market is pretty weak this morning. I mean, we did gap up, and there's a lot of positive price action. But as you can see, we've kind of hit some tops up here, and then we're getting the roll over. But if we get a resurgence here in price action, and especially if we get a close like this candle here, that's what I'm kind of looking for. A bullish engulfing that closes up and over the 20, but as it passes through, we're going to try to take a position on it. But didn't want to get in too soon, as you can see, this is a kind of waterfall down, and didn't want to get in too soon and have it, dump to the downside on us. We have about 48 seconds left in this candle, and we'll see if we can get a pop here to the upside over our 20 simple moving average, the red line. And this is true for the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 10-minute, whatever, weekly chart, whatever. Most times, high percentage of times, you get a close at or over that 20. You have a good chance. Okay, here we go. We got about 18. If we close like right here, right now, but I'm looking for the close in about 10 seconds, then we'll go long on this candle. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, in 1,000 position long on Apple on margin, and we're going to be in and out like real quick here. Okay, and we're looking to possibly come up to this high pivot area right there. If we pull back from here, I'll get out. Okay, I'm out at the high pivot of this bullish engulfing candle here. Because right here we wicked up. Well, I should have stayed in, but we're out. Because the reason why I got out here is that we did get a surge up, but as you can see, this is a big bearish engulfing candle that took out more than 50% of that candle, and we had a wick on top. So we did get way up here, but it was bought out, and we came down, and this was seemed to be a reliable, valid high pivot area right here at 273.89. According to my deal, I didn't get out exactly at 89. I think it was 87. That's where I got out at, but we'll take it. And of course, since we're out, we're running, continue. But I think we're going to get a pullback because it was sold off here. So we'll see if that. We have about 30 seconds. I'll keep you around 30 seconds, see how it ends up, and then we'll end the video and post it up. But not too bad of a run. I was out on market, and when you get out on market, the best price available is what you get. And the blue dash line was at 273.89, and actually the market took my order and got me out at 273.87. So I missed about 2 cents, but still, a little bit of change for this morning. Wow. Okay, this is obviously the new candle. I don't know what kind of great news is happening in the markets, but there you go. Things are running. Let's go to the daily candle. This can't really see much here. Let's go to the hourly candle. Getting a little bit of a pump. Maybe they're going to run it up to this 20 here, because price never really gets that far from the 20, and then you'll gravitate to it. Either price will, like on the downside, it'll trade sideways, and then the 20 will come down to it, or like we are now, it'll trade up and sideways until the 20 comes down to it. So we could see 275 sometime today. Let's go to the 10 minute, as you're seeing, getting a little bit of a pump here. Here's 275 up here, so that might be where they're trying to take it. But generally 3 up, you get the pullback. That's why we're pulling back now. Just remember that. We still got another minute, but I'm not going to push. Well, y'all can stay on for another minute. I don't think it'll hurt anything. We'll just see how this goes. I'm expecting 3 up and then a slam down on the 4th candle, so we'll see how that works out. We will see how that works out in. So I just noticed that now price action likes that whole round even numbers, and we were at 273.89 and just a hair under an even whole round even number of 274, which was right above it. So that was my mistake. I was sitting here talking, trying to explain and move lines around and hit my sell button. Okay, now we're starting a new candle, and I'm thinking we're going to pull back since we have that 3-bar surge to the high side. So we'll see. We'll keep you around and see if we do pull back. But anyway, normally if I had been on my game, I would have seen that whole round even number 274 even right here, and I would have waited until we hit it. So that cost me $100, well, a little over $100, being stupid, not concentrating. Okay, now see that 3-bar surge, now we're, potentially pulling back there. Well, no, we just had a little pause candle possibly. We got a minute, 17 seconds, so we'll see how this pans out. I keep saying, okay, we only got this, anyway. Yeah, I mean, the video's basically over. I was just trying to show you the trade deal, but I'm just keeping this here out of curiosity to see how we end up. And got about 50 seconds left. Man, it looks like, they're coming in buying these dips for the big markets. So we'll see how the day ends. Of course, what happens is it's still mid-morning. There's generally a lull during lunchtime, and then they generally pick it up, if they're going to pump up the market, they'll pick it up in the afternoon. And we got about 20 seconds left, and see, like we were thinking, 3-bar surge, and then we get our pullback. So that's what's going on. 16 seconds. 15, we'll see what happens. 12, about 10 more seconds left on there. We'll see if we get a pop to the upside after this pause candle. Yeah, maybe 2 seconds. 1, let's see what happens. Okay, well, all right, we're already going 8 minutes on this video, so thank you guys for hanging in there with me, and we will see you on the charts.